What's up, guys? Super important topic today, and that's
pain.
Let me ask you, what really makes a good doctor? If you're not happy, how are you supposed to help your patients?
as a family medicine doctor, really about half of what I treat in a sense or the other is pain. Whether it be people coming in for headaches, lower back pain, and constant management and manipulation of this, because I also do osteopathic manipulative treatment. So we use our hands to try and improve their pain as well. But really what it comes down to is controlling their pain with medication in one way or the other, whether it's a muscle relaxer or an opiate, trazodone, tizanidine, all of these things that are trying to keep their pain at bay. But we don't want people on these drugs long term. You know, this is a problem that the whole country is trying to solve. How do we get people off pain medication? People are in such severe chronic pain that they become dependent on these opiates, they become tolerant to these opiates, and now we have the opiate epidemic that we see today. The problem is we don't have any other better medications, so we really have to start thinking outside of the box. Today I want to talk to you, ow, I just pricked my finger, about a company called Pranamat. Pranamat makes this acupressure mat, and I'm going to teach you a little bit about acupressure. But this is one of the revolutionary ways that we need to start thinking about and addressing pain. You don't need to turn to meds. You need physical therapy, you need lifestyle changes, and you need stuff like this, acupressure, acupuncture, and looking into other modalities that are gonna control your pain. Today we're talking about acupressure. So acupressure is non-invasive, and there's two ways to look at it. There's the Eastern way and the Western way. The Western way, still not totally sure how it works. The Eastern way will say that it uses little needles like this to activate and diffuse your energy or chi. These are meridian points. This is all used in Eastern medicine. And the Western medicine has found through clinical studies, there was one done in 2017 specifically on acupressure in conjunction with PT that showed a lot of improvement in patients' chronic pain. So this does work, but the Western modality is still not quite sure why. In my opinion, using these little needles and same principles as cupping and microneedling, you're inducing a controlled inflammation that kind of tells your body, okay, like let's bring some new supplies, some nutrients, increases your blood flow and circulation to those areas to promote healing and really reduce your pain level long term. So this is the Pranamat. There's several of these available online, but this is the best one in my opinion. It has these awesome little lotus shaped needles. It's made out of all natural ingredients, including linen, coconut, and it really just feels like a great quality product, and they make it out of really good quality materials. So I'll be using that one today. I'll be demonstrating. The recommendation for acupressure, you can do this right at home. You don't need a doctor. All you need is one of these mats. 5 to 20 minutes a day. Some people even recommend 30. Laying on this mat on your back or wherever the pain might be causing. I also have a nice little pillow to go along with it. This is great for people with chronic headaches, migraines, cluster headaches. It really is a treatment for all of those things. It is not pills, which is huge. Anyone with lower back pain, chronic back pain, pain in your extremities, any musculoskeletal or even radicular pain, it's been shown to help people with. Now, the only clinical studies I really read were the ones where it was paired with PT, so don't quote me there. But I've been using this. I don't have chronic pain, but it also makes you feel good. Something about the acupressure really induces a lot of energy in you. It's not super pleasant when you're on it, I'll be honest, and I'll demonstrate in just a second, but your energy levels are up. You feel great, it leaves little marks on your back and it's not too pleasant to use. But for people with chronic pain, this is for you. Give this a shot, a real shot, not just one day for 10 minutes and say that it doesn't work. Give this Pranamat a real chance, and I think even if you get down from an 8 to a 6, it's a huge win. So I'm gonna take my shirt off right now and get on this Pranamat for you guys. We're gonna see how it works. All right, Pranamat time. All right, I'm not gonna do the whole 5 to 10 minutes, but I will give you a fair amount of time on the Pranamat so that we can really see how it affects me. And half the time when I'm doing this, Moses will jump on my chest and really drive that pressure even farther down. It's very painful.
Okay, there we go. I'm on the Pranamat and it hurts a lot. I would say the pain while I'm on this thing is about a 4 out of 10. Just feels exactly like you think it would, with all the needles poking into your back. I'm just trying to distribute my weight evenly. The head one hurts pretty bad. Okay. Oh!
Okay, 5 minutes are up. Again, I'm not doing the whole 20. I have done the whole 20. I tried to meditate on it. It's very hard. Sorry if I'm a little loopy right now. I would drink a lot of water after that. All that inflammation that you're inducing in your back takes up a lot of fluids. You want to be replacing those fluids. Let's have a look at the damage. Oh yeah, it's all red. And if you got really close, I'm sure you can see the exact little spiky marks. But okay, now that I'm off, I'm warming up, I feel good. I want to go over it one more time. Again, these are available online, but the Pranamat, that's the one that I use. Again, I don't have chronic pain, but this is something that I recommend to my patients just as an alternative to the drugs. We want to get you guys off the drugs, we really do. Buy one of these things, try it at home. If it helps you even a little bit, it's a win. It's a huge win. Thank you for hearing me out about my take on pain and my not so traditional opinions on Eastern and Western medicine. Again, if you have chronic pain or you're just looking for something that is gonna give you a little bit more energy, help your body heal and regenerate and feel great, acupressure is an awesome thing, something you can do right at home. This thing costs less than 200 bucks. It's an awesome investment for you. It's not gonna wear and tear. You can reuse this thing for years and years. Highly suggest the Pranamat if you're interested. Please check the link in my bio for a coupon code. Thank you for watching. Acupressure, Pranamat, Dr. J. Feldman. If you have any comments or questions about acupressure or pain management, I love to learn and I love to hear from you. So please drop a comment and please subscribe. Thank you guys, and I'll see you next time.